In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Themes app and selecting any of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Then choose Download. Hit Customize if you wish to, for example, leave your coolant rock skin wallpaper, and hit Apply in this pop-up or at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my wallpaper was my theme was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to the default one, you need to access Themes app again. This time select My Account at the bottom right corner, hit Themes at the top, select Classic or Limitless and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!